Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the ultra breakout expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but in this video we'll be using the MetaTrader 5 version for our breakdown and for this review. And this is a breakout system optimized for EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame, and sellers show incredible historical results, turning small accounts huge. But I ran a fresh backtest, so let's see if this intelligent breakout robot still holds up or if it's struggling into these markets. Now, but before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into the ultra breakout expert advisor. Now, this it uses a real breakout strategy with an intelligent calculation engine to filter out false signals, and it's basically developed and optimized for the EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame. And though they say you can test it on other pairs, but EURUSD is the recommended pair. This is supposed to be 15 minutes and not 15 hours. That's 15 minutes. And the EA looks for genuine breakouts of key levels while avoiding the bad ones that trap most traders. And traders get protected with stop loss. There is also the smart trailing stop, and there are even break-even features. Everything is packed here. There is no grid, there's no martingale, just clean directional breakout trading. And exactly what the developer says. So they recommend brokers with fixed spreads between 5 to 20 points, and there is also the zero stop level, the 5-digit quotes. The old backtest on the page are impressive. We have massive total net profits in the millions, from $100 initial deposit from 2010 to 2019, which is about 9 years of backtest result, turning $100 to, I think that's 8,396,095 dollars. We have total trades taken was about 10,216, profit factor 2.17. They also have around 80% win rate and a very low drawdown like 0.8. All of these are impressive numbers, so it's presented as an easy, reliable system with full risk management for catching EURUSD breakouts. Now, the settings the market include order type for both buy and sell. It determines the trade direction, and there is also the risk-based money management that scales with your balance. There's the option for fixed lot, and there's the smart stop loss. There's a trailing stop with step. There's break even after a certain target, and also there's the slippage control. And also we have the max spread filter to avoid bad conditions. Then there's the detailed trading time windows for each day. This helps you filter the days you want the expert advisor to be running, even the time within the day. Can disable it on Friday if you want. These are the settings that actually matter, and they let you fine-tune risk and skip poor trading environments. The developer highlights the intelligent filtering and protective tools as what makes it stand out for consistent breakout trading on EURUSD. You know how breakout trading can be, so you need to have protective measures, and everything, most of the things here in the settings are just protective measures for your account when trading with the expert advisor. Now, I ran a backtest on the ultimate breakout, and looking at it, it was on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame, and from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 account. So the profit factor came in at 0.75, and we took a net loss of $3,203. Win rate was about 65%. So these numbers are not really encouraging, and for the trades, the total trades was 364 trades. The equity curve started relatively flat, then slowly trended down overall with some small recoveries, hitting a max drawdown of roughly 33%. And compared to those seller backtests with millions in profit and tiny drawdowns, this recent period shows a much tougher reality. Inputs like the 6% risk, the 6% risk money management, the trailing stop 20/10, then there is also the break even, which I use 10 out of 5. There's the max spread filter and the smart stop loss. All of these really drove results here, so I used the defaults basically for this backtest, the defaults from the developer as recommended, and these are the results that I gave. Honestly, the thing is, breakout systems live and die by volatility and trend strength. So in practice, this means it can catch nice explosive moves when the market cooperates, but gets chopped up badly in ranging or low volume periods, which is exactly what hurt this test. You can see some not very impressive trades which were taken here. And no martingale is good for safety, but the risk scaling still produced noticeable drawdowns. My verdict for this expert advisor is that this is a decent selective breakout expert advisor for EURUSD. Yeah, if you test it thoroughly on current data, you run conservative risk and use good filters. The profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size, which is the lot or the risk that the trader is using, and also the market context. Sometimes the market could be trending, and some other times it could be in a ranging situation where it's going to take some serious effects on the expert advisor the results of the backtest and also in the live trading. So it also depends on the pairs and the context of the market at the point of using the expert advisor. It's great for experienced prop traders who know EURUSD very well, but avoid it if you are new and you want multi-pair magic or you can't handle extended drawdown periods. That is it for the ultra breakout expert advisor for the MetaTrader 5. Now like this video if these real tests help you out, and subscribe for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below what you think and which EA you want me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.